How to create WordPress child theme. This is a step-by-step guide so you can go ahead and follow easily. Now I am inside my WordPress website right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the side categories that we have on our WordPress. From here, you can then go ahead and see the appearance option. After hovering your mouse into the appearance option, an additional menu will show up where you can then go ahead and click on themes, editor, customize, and menu. You can just go ahead and click on any one of those if you wish to create or change your website into a child theme. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on the themes right here to make everything easier. And from here, you can just go ahead and look for a theme that perfectly matches your description. In our case, it's going to be child theme. So if I go ahead and click on something like this one, it surely looks like a child theme right here, where I can then go ahead and apply this to my website. Just go ahead and click on upgrade to activate and you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.